let's make a prom nosegay together with a ribbon handle. First, I'm going to start with a hydrangea. Some filler. Not truly a spiral, but just kind of a nice formal, more formal clump. Still has a little bit of interest though, a lot of visual interest and texture changes in it. Okay. Then I'm going to tape it off. This is clear tape that is waterproof. It's not just regular Scotch tape, although you might be able to use regular Scotch tape. So now everything's held. So I'm going to start with the next step, which is the collaring of it. Taping it again above my bind point. Bind point is where your hand is holding the bouquet tightly for control and design to be held. Okay, so got that. Now I'm going to cut it off and going a bit over a hand's length. And give it a bit more water right now. Working with a hydrangea, they are thirsty. So we're going to give it a good douse. So now we have this, and I'm going to take this off again, tightly, the bottom. And now I'm adding one more step of hydration. This is a wet paper towel. And a nice little soft sandwich bag. And we're going to tape again right at the top of the sandwich bag. So taped off there tightly. This is what I'm using. This is my tape dispenser for my floral tape. Okay, so now I've got this here. And the next step is with glue dots. And I'm going to put a glue dot on at the bottom. start my wrap, I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm going to go vertically, and then I'm going to twist it into place, covering tightly. Just a minute here. Gotta get that plastic all covered. And then twisting it. The end. Okay, took a couple twists around there. And then I'm going to use another glue dot because sweaty, warm hands cause this to come off. You haven't got some extra security there. More glue dots. Continue on tightly. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut. Oh, one more step. Let's take this down off. This has a new ribbon handle. That's a whole new trend that has just started. So I'm going to take a glue dot and I'm going to put it on one end of the ribbon handle and secure it into here. Go up and around the bouquet. Like that. Give it a little bit of excess and another dot on the end of the ribbon piece. There it is. So you have that. And now we will go back and finish the wrap. So we go up and round, tightly. More glue. Well, glue dots are winning this video. Glue dots have won all day as I have made this demo. The glue dots, it's because they're out of their box, and so now they are just going wild. Okay, so now you have a prom bouquet with a ribbon handle, and that's what it looks like. Thank you for following.